how to download Call of Duty Warzone on PS4 or PS5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Warzone on your PS4 or PlayStation 5 for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So all we need to do is simply go up into the menu at the very top and select the search icon. Then all we need to do is search Call of Duty. Now Warzone will not come up if you search Warzone, so look up Call of Duty, then just select the first option for Call of Duty. Once we get to Call of Duty, rather than having to purchase it, go to the right where you see the three dots, select that, and then select Call of Duty Warzone. Once it loads, select download, then just select the version that you're downloading. So I'm going to download the PS5 version, and then just select install here. Then it'll start downloading and installing Warzone on your PlayStation 5. From here you can select continue and hit the PlayStation button on your controller to go back home, and you can play other games or anything like that. If you want to see the progress of Warzone being installed on your PlayStation, simply hit the PlayStation button on your controller, and then go to the bottom menu and go to the download arrow right there, select that, and then you'll see what's being downloaded and how long it will take. Once it's been downloaded and installed, you'll be able to play Warzone on your PlayStation. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.